Guys, you're highly welcome today, which is Saturday. First of all, happy weekend to you guys, and you're welcome to my channel, Last Born. You know, it's part of Let's Educate Each Other. I normally do on my Facebook every Wednesday and Sunday. So, on today's topic, I'll be talking about how to build a self-confidence. Some people don't really know how to build self-confidence when it comes in terms of communicating with people, being themselves, as in doing what they like. They feel like they can't do it. So it's only two words that normally comes to their head. First of all, they will think, I can't do it. That word I can't do it spoils so many things in some people's life. And the other one is fear. Because once you're afraid of something, that thing overcomes you. Okay. But once you are, full confidence to do something, no matter how many times you fail, no matter how many times you got it wrong, keep on trying and definitely you will get exactly what you want, as in you get the result of what you're looking for. Okay, so in this video I'll be telling you so many things, as some things that you have to take note of for you to build a self-confidence. Okay, but I'll be talking only one on this particular video now. Then try and subscribe and also follow me up whenever I drop the second video, so you can be able to get to know all the link, all the things you need to know to build a self-confidence. So first of all, the ones I'll be talking about now is to overcome fear, because so many people have become fearful that they can't do what they want to do. Understand? So if you want to do it, just tell yourself I can do it and put fear aside. So I'll be talking more on this on my next video. Maybe I'll be giving out the second tips, and also I will still touch more on this one. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Last one, let's educate each other. Okay, more is coming your way. Thanks. Peace.